How do you create branded pin graphics for your shop or blog to ensure more visitors and sales? First things first, let's talk about Pinterest template sizes or Pinterest graphic sizes and what are the best sizes to pin. Obviously, one of the first things that you need to know about Pinterest is that you need to be pinning vertical pins, so longer pins. I don't suggest that they're too tall of pins, but I will give you a few dimensions that I find useful and that I always use for my Pinterest graphics. So the first one is 800 width and 1300 height. The next one is 1000 and 1500, and the next one is 1200 and 1500. So these are some sizes that I use and I like to use for my Pinterest graphics. If you want to learn more about social media marketing and how to grow your business with social media, make sure to subscribe down below. The next thing that you need to keep in mind when creating unique Pinterest graphics for your profile is the design of the pin. How do you create a unique design for your pin that will stand out in Pinterest search and that people will click on? So I've created these Pinterest templates right here for this specific reason, to help you out in creating pins faster for your blog posts or product. If you want to check them out, the link is in the description. So I'm going to show you exactly how I create a branded pin for my blog posts in Canva using my template. Now, how do you create more than one pin per blog post? Because if you know this, you know that Pinterest and Tailwind recommends that you pin more than one pin per blog post, so you have more of them linking to that one blog post that people can find and click on and ultimately go to that blog post or product. So the first thing that you need to do is to come up with alternate names for those blog posts that you want to use in your pin. Your blog post name and your pin name can be a little bit different. So for example, let's use this blog title, 50 WordPress themes for female bloggers that you can choose from to design your website. This would be a blog post title. So you need to come up with, let's say, 3 alternate titles for pins that people will click on. The ones that I would go with are 50 WordPress themes for beginners, 50 feminine WordPress themes for entrepreneurs, 50 perfect blogger themes that you can choose from today. These are catchy titles for your pin graphics that you can use in your Pinterest templates, in your graphics that you will be pinning to Pinterest. Also, if you're wondering, this video is part of a series on Pinterest for beginners, and if you want to check out the full series and learn more about Pinterest marketing, the playlist is linked down below. Now let's talk a little bit about what the pin should contain. What should you add in a Pinterest graphic before you pin it? The first thing is obviously the title. So the title you can section into different spaces and add it differently so it looks aesthetically pleasing and that it is easy to read for people. The next things are photos, and I use stock photos for this. You can use them from Unsplash. You can sign up for Style Stock Society, a membership platform for female entrepreneurs that you can get Canva templates and stock photos. You can even sign up to their email list below to get some free stock photos that you can use in all of your pins. I usually use these as a background and I change the opacity or I blurred them a little bit, but they make the pin look very unique and very stylish. The next thing that you want to add to your pin is your logo or an image of you if that's what you want or that's what the pin is about. For example, if you're making a pin for your Pinterest services, for example. Another thing that you need to add is your website, either at the top or at the bottom of the pin. And you can also use graphics to demonstrate what you want people to pay attention to in that pin. For example, if you're giving away an ebook or if you're giving away a freebie, make sure to show that with some arrows. And the most important thing you want to add, especially if you're making a pin for a product, for people to shop a product, is a call to action. So for example, if you're creating this kind of pin for a product that you can use an image in or more images in, you need to add a call to action in which you tell people shop now or 50% off today or check out this product. Anything that will get people to understand, okay, I can shop this product right now, I can go check it out right now. A call to action is very important in any pin. For example, even if your blog post pins, you can add read the blog post or check out the ebook or get this freebie now. A call to action is very important to be added in your pins. Another thing that you should keep in mind when creating pin graphics for your business is to add your branding, your style, and the style of photography that you use in your brand style guide, for example. If you want to create a brand style guide for your business, a mood board for your business, you can check out the link below and get this mood board for free. And I suggest using those same colors and fonts in your pins, so your pins will be easy to recognize and search. If you're using my Pinterest templates, you can just change the branding and the colors and the fonts as well, so you can make it your own, and also the background images and everything else. You can make those pins your own in a few minutes without having to spend time to create your own unique branded pin graphics. When you're pinning a pin for your product, you might also want to tell people what the product is, or add a few words that explain what the product does if it is a more unique product or people cannot understand that from the image itself. So this is how you create unique pin graphics for your business, for your blog post, or your product website. If you want to work with me in growing your Pinterest account, I will create these pin graphics for you. I will create branded new ones, and I can also help you with your Pinterest marketing to pin every single day for you and grow your business, page views, and sales with Pinterest. So if you want to check out my Pinterest marketing services, you can do so in the link below. Thank you so much for watching. You can check out more of my videos in the link below about Pinterest marketing, Instagram marketing, or website design and growing an online business. You can also check out my YouTube marketing strategies channel in the link below if you want to learn how to grow a successful YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.